Sir, in which case, sir, if I may, in which case, are you saying therefore na Malacanang was not convinced of the need to pursue the impeachment at that time?
Until now, I am 100% sure na hindi kumbinsido ang presidente. Bakit? On the day of the signing of the impeachment, I was with the president for a meeting regarding the alyansa. Magmula nung simula na nagpipirma hanggang matapos, hindi namin pinag-usapan. Hindi niya sinabi, bakit ka hindi pumirma? Pagkatapos, lumabas yung resulta, hindi man niya lang sinabi sa akin, oh, Toby, naka 215 tayo. We never talked about it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Isang beses na pag-usapan namin, I think 2-3 weeks after, siya yung nagtanong, ano ba yung nangyari? Bakit nila pinilit yung impeachment? Wala bang kalaban yung mga yan? Sabi ko, sir, hindi nga ako sinama, so hindi ko masasagot bakit na tinuloy. Okay? Next. Okay, fast forward. So, naka-hold pa rin yung mga conditional release. And up to now, I think there's mga 90 billion pa na naka-hold kasi talagang hinihigpitan yon. So,